started.
Pankudiya, Class 4, Hindi Patmala. The name of the lesson is Atpate Sawal, Chatpate Jawab. Okay, so there is a question and पूछा, बताइए हमारे राज्य में कितने कबूतर हैं? So what Raja Krishnadevaraya is asking a question in his darbar, that is in his kingdom, is asking a question. बताइए हमारे राज्य में कितने कबूतर हैं? Tell me how many kabutars are there in my kingdom, he is asking. सबने अलग अलग संख्या बताई. 10,000. One person is saying 10,000. 7,000. Okay. So other person is saying 7,000. Then 4,000. Another person is saying 4,000. Like that each person is telling one number. परंतु तेनालीराम ने कुछ नहीं कहा. But his minister Tenali-Rama, he didn't say anything. He just kept quiet. क्यों तेनालीराम तुम कुछ नहीं कहोगे? So he is asking, Krishnadevaraya is asking, why Tenali-Ram you didn't say anything? He is asking. महाराज मुझे थोड़ा समय दीजिए, मैं अपना जवाब 1-2 दिन में दूंगा. So what is Tenali-Rama is asking? Please give me some time. It will take 1 or 2 days for me to give the answer. Like that Tenali-Rama is saying. तीसरे दिन तेनालीराम दरबार में हाजिर हुए और बोले. So after 3 days Tenali-Ram came to his court, king's court, and then he saying, महाराज हमारे राज्य में 9,999 कबूतर हैं. So he is saying 9,000, that is 9,900 कबूतर्स are there in our kingdom. क्या तुमने सही गिनती की है? So what the Krishnadevaraya is asking, what did you count exactly?
Which one are you in, ma'am?
Here. क्या तुमने सही गिनती की है? So what Krishnadevaraya is asking, what did you count exactly? Like that he is asking, or correctly he is asking. Tenali-Ram मुस्कुराकर बोले. So what Tenali-Ram did? He is smiling and answering. महाराज यदि आपको यकीन न हो तो आप गिनवा कर देख लीजिए परंतु. So what he is saying, महाराज यदि आपको यकीन न हो तो आप गिनवा कर देख लीजिए परंतु. You can count and see. Like that is saying.
Yeah.
सभी दरबारी हैरान होकर तेनालीराम की ओर देखने लगे. So everyone was surprised. All the people in Krishnadevaraya's court were surprised to hear him say like that. And so they were seeing with surprise in their eyes. परंतु क्या तेनाली? So what Krishnadevaraya is saying? So how did you count? He is asking. Tenali-Ram हंसे. So Tenali-Ram was laughing. संभव है जब आप गिनती करवाएं तो यह संख्या कम या अधिक हो जाए. So sometimes the counting numbers will be less or sometimes it may be more also. Like that he says. राजा कृष्णदेवराया ने हैरानी से पूछा, क्या मतलब? So Krishnadevaraya was very much surprised to hear this answer. He is asking, what is the meaning of that? Like that. महाराज यदि कबूतर कम हो तो समझना कि कुछ कबूतर अपने रिश्तेदारों से मिलने चले गए थे. So what he is saying, sometimes it may be less. Okay. और अधिक हो तो, so how will it become more like that? Krishnadevarayan is asking. तेनालीराम मंद मंद मुस्कुराते हुए बोले, तो समझना कि कुछ कबूतर अपने रिश्तेदारों के घर आए हैं. So what he is saying, the kabutars will come to your place, like that. तेनालीराम की बात सुनकर सभी दरबारी और राजा कृष्णदेव राय खिलखिलाकर हंसने लगे. So they all started